This dig and built up is mostly for water drainage. Drainage ditches on the outside of the structure works better. Digging out the floor to make heat tunnels is a better use of the floor space. The support post only need to be about 391 cm or 4 feet 122 centimeters above the ground. The structure is not dependent on any one part but the whole of all parts for its durability and strength. Because of the upward or inverted funnel design and shortness of the chimney and the roundness of the roof, this fireplace and chimney does not conform to the normal roof penetrations rules of 2 feet 600 millimeters higher than the 10 feet 3 meters from any obstacle. Dirt and water will not last long. By adding grass or any fibrous material it will last longer, however will still need yearly maintenance. Clay is better than dirt for durability and longevity. Cob is best. It is made of water, clay, straw or any fibrous material, sand or crushed stone and dancing. Yes, dancing, it is the most fun way to mix and work the materials. For a long-lasting structure, it is best to take off the bark on most wood, except hemlock. Creating the lower walls are done by using typical timber framing techniques of cutting, fitting and pegging the logs together. Use the same fillers between each log on both sides as you have done for the stones of the fireplace. The roof is one of the innovative parts of this structure. The spacing of the holes are very important. Crossing the saplings over each other gives it incredible strength. Based on the principles behind the geodesic dome, you will note the many triangles forming the domed roof that is produced by the crossings of the saplings. This pattern maximizes the pressure per square inch, PSI, and is the main reason why this structure has held up after 10 winters with up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of snow on it. It was hit by a tree during a microburst. It withstood a hurricane and other storms. Before putting on the final roofing in this main part, add by tying on another layer of saplings. This gives a little more strength but more importantly the proper positioning for applying the roofing. Trim all protruding logs. This entryway is simply finished by the materials being held in place by gravity and weight. This roof covering is not the best, far from it. It needs yearly repair, has a very low R factor and often leaks. Thatching is better as far as leaks but still needs yearly repair or replacement. This structure is strong enough for a stone roof which would be long-lasting with few problems or a sod roof which would have the highest R factor. Heat shields are a good idea for extra safety, however it is not really needed, as the stones will never get that hot. If a channeled fireplace is used instead of this simple one, it is a requisite. A center stone is used for rain and wind resistance. Finally, put in your anchor poles. They give extra support and can be carved into totem poles, for spiritual protection.